Hey, Phoenix Ram Guy here with a non-aviation video where we're going for a drive over to my fiance's parents' house and we almost caught an accident because I was being really nice and letting a person go ahead in front of me, but it turns out he had some other unexpected plans.
Go, let's go, dude.
Oh, trouble!
Almost causes an accident.
Get up and turn this way. What the heck?
I'm like, you know what? I'll give the guy a chance to leave. I didn't know he was almost gonna hit that car. Makes a wide ass turn so he can just go north on Country Club. If that was the case, why don't you go through the other entrance? Thank God I captured it on my camera. I'll see if I can download it later. Post it on YouTube.